Welcome to another episode of Cash at Home, where I'll be testing out my new Hoover Clean Slate vacuum and seeing how it holds up against my 2007 Toyota Yaris. And as you can see, I'm not at home. I'm at my buddy Jesse's garage. Since it's freezing cold outside, I needed a nice warm area to work on my car. You can see in here it's in pretty bad shape and it's going to take a lot of work to get that clean. I'm using a Turtle Wax Upholstery Cleaner. You just want to spray it on and try to scrub it in deep into the seats to get all that grime out. Although this is right when I kind of screwed things up. Turns out the cleaner is pretty good, but the plastic scrubber brush on the head was just too abrasive and it started tearing my cloth seats apart. So I changed tactics and I continued working. The Hoover Clean Slate comes with everything you need to get started. It comes with a tiny bottle of detergent, and generally you only need a tiny splash of it. Here I'm going to show you how easy it is to get it started and set up. You can see here I'm using hot water. They recommend you use hot water and it just gives you a better cleaning. So the idea with this kind of vacuum is to spray the cleaning agent onto the fabric and then use the vacuum side to suck it back out. Basically, you're soaking your seat in order to dissolve all the dirt, and then you're sucking that dirty water out of your seat. Now, while I wait for the seats to dry, I'm going to continue cleaning the car. In case you're wondering why I haven't vacuumed up the floors yet, well, this was charging and it took far too long. car is all cleaned up and I got a new armrest installed, it's time to just wait for it to dry and go bug Jesse.